Gross Domestic Product at Factor Cost (GDPFC). It is the sum total of factory incomes, wages, rent, interest, profit generated within the domestic territory of a country during the period of an accounting year along with the depreciation. GDPFC is equal to GDPMP minus net indirect taxes. Net domestic product at factory cost (NDPFC) or domestic income. It is the sum total of value of all final goods and services produced by all the producing units located in the domestic territory of a country during an accounting year, less depreciation and net indirect taxes. NDPFC is equal to GDPMP minus depreciation minus net indirect taxes. Gross National Product at Factory Cost (GNPFC). It is the sum total of market value of final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during an accounting year, inclusive of depreciation and estimated at factory cost and net factory income from abroad. GNPFC is equal to GDPFC plus NFIA. Net National Product at Factory Cost (NNPFC). It is the sum total of factory incomes, rent, interest, profits, wages earned by normal residents of a country during the period of an accounting year. It is net of depreciation. NNPFC is equal to GNPFC minus depreciation, or NNPFC is equal to NDPFC plus NFIA. Nominal Gross Domestic Product. It refers to market value of the final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a financial year. It is estimated using the current year prices. It is also called GDP at current price. Real GDP is equal to nominal GDP by price index into 100. Some important terms. Normal resident of a country. Following are deemed to be normal residents of a country. Citizens and institutions of our country who normally reside in our country. जो कि हम लोग का country में रहते हैं ऐसे लोग. And their center of economic interest also lies in our country. और जिनका economic interest भी हम लोग का country पर रहता है. Citizens of other countries who have been living in our country beyond a period of 1 year. 1 साल से ज़्यादा अगर कोई हम लोग का कंट्री में आके रह रहा है, एंड हुज सेंटर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक इंटरेस्ट, और जिनका इकोनॉमिक इंटरेस्ट हम लोग का कंट्री में लाइक करता है रहता है. सिटीज़न ऑफ आवर कंट्री हु लिव एब्रॉड. हम लोग का कंट्री का सिटीज़न जो कि एब्रॉड में रहता है फॉर अ पीरियड नॉट एग्जिस्टिंग 1 ईयर. Net factory income from abroad (NFIA). This is the difference between the income earned from abroad for rendering factory services by the normal resident of the country to the rest of the world, and the income paid for the factory services rendered by non-residents in the domestic territory of a country. Domestic territory of a country. In terms of national income accounting, domestic territory of a country refers to the areas of operation generating domestic income. ठीक है.